Before you begin, remove the access panel, riser assembly, if installed, memory fan duct assembly, and front I/O module. Removal. Remove the memory card reader cable from the routing hook on the front I/O module. On the bottom of the front I/O module, release the retention tab and slide the memory card reader toward the rear of the front I/O module. Lift the memory card reader off of the front I/O module and remove. Replacement. Important: if a memory card reader has not been previously installed, remove the memory card reader bracket from the front I/O module. Remove the memory card slot blank and place the memory card reader bracket onto the memory card reader. Place the tabs on the bottom of the memory card reader bracket into the cutouts in the front I/O module and slide it forward until it is firmly seated and the retention tab clicks. Route the memory card reader cable under the routing hook on the front I/O module.